So first of all, only watch and continue this video if you can have focus on this video, because while I'm recording this video I don't know where it will be headed, like a video kahan tak pahunchne wali hai. I really have don't idea about it. If you can focus on a particular video and you can have a reality check without any flashy edits or something, then only watch this video, because then only you are capable of being a man to watch this video. Or just stop watching it right now and go watch something else. Because आज की वीडियो में ना, like the title for this video was Men Used to Be Warriors, and maybe I will use it that title only. Nothing fancy in this video, but I thought that video will be long, like 6-7 minutes long, मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 6-7 मिनट. But I've been thinking a lot about this, so I thought let's get real now. This video is for the men talk, to be honest, brother to brother, भाई to भाई बात है इस वीडियो में. Because इस वीडियो में we are gonna just talk, a real talk, zero scripted video, nothing. It is for the men. In this video we're gonna talk about the things which men usually don't, because they can't. That's how society have built them. So I'll start with men used to be warriors. But it's quite funny right now that I see around, like you see around, and men are so weak. People are weak. Not only weak, they're pathetic, to be honest. And it hurts me to watch it. It's make me angry to watch it, then that men are this weak in today's world. Like they're weak, like actually weak. I'm not talking about आर्म रेसलिंग में कौन इतना अच्छा है और टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल, एड्रेनलिन कितनी है तुम्हारी, तुम कितने जिम लगाते हो. नो, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मेंटालिटी. एंड पीपल मेंटली आर फक्ड अप एंड दे आर वीक. दे आर एक्चुअली वीक. मैं यहाँ पे एक डायलॉग ओपन करके रखा हुआ हूँ, विच वॉज फ्रॉम द फाइट क्लब, एंड इट क्वाइट अमेज मी. तो मैं उसको रीड करूंगा यहाँ पे. एंड थिंक अबाउट इट, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. We are the middle children of history, man. No purpose or place. We have no great war, no great depression. Our great war's a spiritual war. Our great depression is our lives. We all have been raised on television to believe that one day we will all be millionaires and movie gods and rock stars, but we won't. And we are slowly learning that fact. We are very, very pissed off. You realized, like I'll tell you my thing. When I was 17 years old, I actually think that by the age of 22, I'll be a millionaire, a billionaire, like earning crores, earning 20 crores, 30 crores a year. My family is independent. Like I used to imagine that life for me. And to be honest, मतलब मेरी ग्रोथ बहुत ज़्यादा हुई है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट माइंड सेट. बिकॉज मैं 20 साल के लोगों के हिसाब से बहुत ज़्यादा आगे की थिंकिंग रखता हूँ. आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू बी साउंड एनी कॉकी और समथिंग. इट्स जस्ट सिंपल एज फैक्ट. मेरी मेंटेलिटी नहीं मैच होती है 20 ईयर्स ओल्ड अराउंड मी, उनके साथ मैच नहीं होती है. इवन दे लर्न फ्रॉम मी दैट हाउ आई थिंक. पीपल अराउंड मी ट्राई टू लर्न फ्रॉम मी. दे डिस्कस थिंग्स विथ मी विच दे डोंट डिस्कस विथ एनीवन, बिकॉज आई एम ब्रूटल एंड ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट at their faces कि तुम क्या गलत कर रहे हो क्या नहीं. Because my mentality is not matching, and a lot of guys who are started working very early in life and made a purpose in life very early, they would realize that it happens. So right now you cry about things, you complain about things as a man, and let me remind you, if you're watching this video in a YouTube channel, like in a YouTube platform, probably you have phone, you have internet, or you are watching this on your television like TV, or you're watching it on your laptop, yeah, your iPad, your tablet, so it means you have a device and an internet connection, which makes me think that it means you have a roof under your head, above your head. Actually, you live under a roof. You have 3 times to eat, and yet you are depressed. Earlier, men used to go on the wars and die there. At my age, I'm 20 years old right now. They used to see 100 other men getting killed in front of their fucking eyes. But they were still standing strong, staring at their own death. And the men who came back from the war, they were all fucked up. They were changed. If you go back history and you actually, read actual history, what were the times of wars, you would realize that your life is so good, and yet you complain about the things which is like, I want to start a YouTube channel, but I don't have a device to record my videos. Fuck man, you complain about those things. You complain about कि एग्जाम्स चालू होने वाले हैं, मेरी कोई प्रिपरेशन नहीं है, मैं अब क्या करूं, मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा है, मैं पढ़ नहीं पाऊंगा. You give up on your exams, like fucking exams, जिसमें तुम्हें सिर्फ पढ़ना है, चीजों को समझना है और जाकर लिखना है अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, अपनी लैंग्वेज में. How pathetic I don't know. It is so pathetic if you understand this, like where the society is headed for men. There is a thing, the today's generation don't want to be men. They don't want to be a man. They don't want to be. मैं यहाँ पे कुछ वो नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि डिप्रेशन में जो लोग हैं या या डिप्रेशन कुछ ऐसी चीज नहीं. इट इज द पीपल हु आर एक्चुअली हैव डिप्रेशन. आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट फॉर देम, लाइक दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग. आई एम नॉट सेइंग पीपल लोग आर नॉट डिप्रेस्ड. द पीपल आर डिप्रेस्ड, बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज द पीपल आई एम हाईलाइटिंग, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आर दोज हु दिन भर घर में बैठे हैं, गेम खेल रहे हैं, टाइम पास कर रहे हैं, और फिर दिन में 1 घंटे के लिए सोचते हैं कि मैं अपनी लाइफ में क्या कर रहा हूं क्या नहीं. एंड दे फील डिप्रेस्ड, दे फील वेरी unpleasant seeing their own body and seeing their own mindset. They get pity on themselves कि हमारी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, while they are not even going out and experiencing things and talking to people and even not doing anything. अगर तुम लाइफ में कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो, या तुम कुछ करने के लिए सोच रहे हो कि मुझे ये करना हो, तुम सिर्फ सोचते जा रहे हो कि तुम्हें कुछ करना है, then you can't complain about being depressed. If you are doing that, you are not man enough. As a man, you need to go through shit ton of things to become an ideal man for your family, to be able to provide for them, to have a mindset. You can't complain कि मैं कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाह रहा हूं बट मुझसे स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा है, because you are not trying to start it, man. मैं तुम्हारी बात तब सुनता जब तुम्हें को बताते कि तुम 20 जगह अपना सर मार चुके हो चीजों को ट्राई करने के लिए, and yet you have no results. Then मैं तुम्हारी बात सुनता हूँ, okay, you are complaining कि भाई किस्मत ही खराब है, हुआ नहीं भाई, I tried my level best. But if you are complaining without even trying, then I am telling you, I don't know where your life is headed, man. I feel sorry for you. Then there are other type of men. Like, I'm telling you कि how men are nowadays thinking that how weak they are. I am telling you that. For example, a guy just broke up with his girl. an immature guy, what he does is he complains कि she was not accepting her mistake. वो अपनी खुद की गलतियां नहीं मान रही थी भाई, वो तो उसने गलती नहीं मानी, वो ये गलत है वो समझ ही नहीं रही है. Then they complain about कि उसके दोस्तों ने उसको इन्फ्लुएंस किया होगा to cheat on you or something like that, to break up. Then you complain about कि she was not good enough, वो मेरी चीजें नहीं सुन रही थी, मेरी बातों को नहीं सुन रही थी, जो मैं बोल रहा था वो चीजों को समझ नहीं रही थी, मैं उसको मना कर रहा था कुछ करने के लिए, वो नहीं मान रही थी. Like men complain about this, but they never do self-analysis. They're not capable of doing it because maybe they are weak. It is going to hurt a lot of men's ego, but that's a true talk. You need to do self-analysis at that moment and realize कि maybe I was not able to keep her the way she wanted to be kept. I was not able to treat that girl right. Of course, I loved her, but love in a relationship, love is not just, you cannot just love and do everything. No, be real. मूवी की लाइफ से बाहर आना पड़ेगा. अब मूवी की लाइफ से बाहर आकर देखोगे तो love comes with a lot of conditions. You can't be just be like मुझे शिद्दत वाला प्यार हो गया तुमसे and go on. No, things don't work like that now. Like पहले भी they don't work like that now. So if you do self-analysis on that, you would realize कि I was not able to keep the girl how she wanted to be kept, like the way she wanted to be treated. I never treated her the way that she wanted to be treated. For example, that like I saw a video of, wait a second, let me just check it if I could find it. I don't know if I have saved it or not. No, I won't find it right now. I don't know. I saw a video. It was simply that कि self analysis करना is very important because that allows you to reflect on your own mistakes, that allows you to reflect on your own mistakes and you can grow from that mistake so that your आने वाला relationship और as a person you grow. तुम समझ रही हो कि as a man तुम्हें आज के टाइम पे सिर्फ किस चीज में काम करना है? खुद के ऊपर काम करना है. Nothing, you don't have anything else to be worried about or to be conscious about. तुम इस वीडियो को देख पा रहे हो और तुम यहाँ तक देखे हो, well, I would say you have focus because this video is, I guess, getting pretty long. मेरे को लग रहा है कि 14-15 मिनट हो गए. It has been 14-15 minutes that I have been speaking. So what I'm trying to say to you, my brother, is men are weak now. They are weak because this generation don't want to be men. My father is a man. My grandfather is a man. But I don't know if I will be half a man like them because they are so strong. They have seen a lot of things in their life. They have touched the ground. उसके बाद वो वहां से उठे. And even though, मतलब, I would say I am grateful to, have a camera to record, have an AC in my room, and 3 times food to eat. Do you get my point? How grateful you are and yet you are complaining about life. That's why Fight Club के डायलॉग में एक बहुत अच्छी लाइन थी, it is a spiritual war now. क्योंकि अब men is not going on the wars. Earlier it was 500-600 साल पहले it was everything depend upon the war. टेरिटरी वॉर से ली जाती थी, हर चीज वॉर से करी जाती थी. Like thousands of people used to die, thousands of men used to die in the wars just to attain their territory. But times have changed. The greatest war you have right now is a spiritual war. The war within your fucking self. And yet you are losing it. And I am telling you, you're losing it. You are imagining that you will be rich. You are imagining that you will provide for your family. You are imagining to drive your supercar. And I am telling you, 99% of people who are watching this video will not make it because you are not fucking capable of facing your own self. I told you this video is going to be harsh, and I don't know where this video is headed. I'm just recording this because it is a real talk between men. I know you are an individual who is watching this video, so remember that your brother is talking to you right now, because your father, your friends, your mother, your sister, nobody will teach or talk to you the way I am talking right now. Do you get my point? I want these videos to reach to a lot of men, so please comment down so YouTube gets engagement, तो ये वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग को दिखाए. मैंने आज तक पहले वीडियोस में नहीं बोला है कि मेरे को इस वीडियो को एंगेजमेंट दो या समथिंग, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट नाउ, इवन इफ यू डोंट वांट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, डोंट सब्सक्राइब इट, डोंट, जस्ट help me to get popping off this video, because this is a message which is needed to be reached out to as many as men possible. And to be honest, अगर इस वीडियो में अच्छे व्यूज नहीं आए, I will be disheartened upon you. I will disheartened upon you, because this video is something which men don't want to talk about, man. Like, I don't know, like, तुम मेरे को एक बात बताओ यार, एकदम मेरी आंखों में देखना यार, समझना मेरी चीजों को. क्या प्रॉब्लम है तेरी लाइफ में? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इतनी अच्छी लाइफ है. You got friends, you got parents, you got brother, sister, you got a house, you got 3 time foods to eat, like you got internet, you got a device. तुझे अपनी स्कूल की फीस नहीं भरनी, कॉलेज की फीस नहीं भरनी, तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है मेरे भाई? क्या लैग कर रहा है? तू खुद लैग कर रहा है. You are the problem. So change yourself. Be grateful for this life. Thank God that He have given you a life. You are a human. That's more than anything around the world. You are the smartest creature alive. And yet you are complaining. Yet you are procrastinating. And yet you are weak as hell. You even can't do the things you say you would do. Like, you can't even wake up early in the morning, and you don't show up in time. And you believe people to respect you, believe me to respect you as a man. No, I won't respect you. I'm not able to. So I hope you will help me to get this video reached to as many as men possible. I hope the best for you. It was totally random video, unscripted. I just recorded it, and I guess it was the real talk we needed. God bless you. Hustle hard. Peace out, my brother.